Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the Allweviee outdoor solar battery camera. You can get this product on Amazon for about $80. Check out the link in the description. The camera comes with a bracket, a solar charger including bracket, a mounting kit, a USB charging cable and a user manual. You can insert a micro SD card or use the cloud recording capacity to watch your video recordings. The camera can be used with a built-in battery or even better with a solar charger, so you never have to manually recharge it. Using the app and connecting the camera with your Wi-Fi network is very easy. It's very easy to set up the camera and the solar charger thanks to the mounting kit and the brackets. I tested the camera for a few days and I think it's a very nice product. I especially enjoy the pan-tilt zoom functionality. So if you are looking for a solar-powered outdoor camera with pan-tilt zoom, I would recommend the Allweviee outdoor solar battery camera. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.